Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. So this is my first time filming in the GoPro after finally saving a lot of money. This is my first time filming for YouTube, and right now I'm going to put some old wheels on the rims. So this is a drift day practice. I hope I can find a good spot. Before that, I want to fix this mirror. Someone crashed into me, and that's it.
شكرا. طيب صفوا
اوريكم براذر.
هلو
نطلع معاكم بالسياره.
لا
انت بتقول لك خلينا صفوني.
خليك
صفون
بيتفرج عليكم.
عصام ما تبلش عليه.
روح بيتفرج عليكم ايش بيه؟
لكن في محل تاني غير هيدا.
صفون ورا شوي. صفون ورانا.
وبنزل؟
سليم انزل. Por favor, signor, I finally got the car. I'm going right now to drift. The camera is not perfect, but that's okay. Yalla. حلو ايه بس عم بتغير. The gear is changing all the time. The car is still up and diff. يلا. The car is still up and diff and the gear keeps changing. Thank you and I need to change something.
نعم انا حط الكاميرا بس.
not the best course, but this is what I found today.
طار من الدواليب.
I'm sorry I can't speak, but I'm putting the GoPro in my mouth, and I think this is the end of the tire. Yeah, it's pretty much done. So try.
يا عمر اصغر معنا، احنا واقفين محلنا. بدك تعمل دريفت هون؟ بدك تعمل دريفت هون؟
ايه ثانية بس.
ايه ايه ماشي.
في شيء تاني هون؟
هون ما في شيء. هيمني هات.
This is why you need always to keep tools. I'm so wet.
Oh my god.
I'm pretty much done on gas. Like this.
شوفي
Oh.
شو؟ لا لا لا.
The car is overheating. I need to stop. Fuck. Come on, man. This is it. The car is overheating, and I scratched my car. Yeah. Yeah. The car is overheating. خلاص. So, just give it 5 minutes. Thank you.
Good luck with the tire.
Thank you.
انا كده خلاص بدي شوكولا راح السجر من بطني.
صح حبيبي قال لي
يلا صور.
يا عصام يلا.
روق. ما تضحك علي. I want to say sorry for my friend. I almost get him killed. Fuck you, man. I'm not the best. Fuck you. And that's it. Until next time. Bye.